I can thank all the tie downs overnight for me being able to see this view. This is really the reason I wanted to ride this route. It's coming up, Bridge of the Gods up here. About 5 miles. Absolutely beautiful though.
Forsvinder, concealer, strømligner jeg med grøn finger. Strømninger er større end du aner. Vi er børn af tulipaner. Og i takt med at drømmene forsvinder, concealer, strømligner jeg med grøn finger. Strømninger, styrer blinder, alt blomster op som hyacinter. En gang så vi kun grønning. Nu bor vi i betonting, så vi må finde plads til bierne gør blomstring. Midt i hosten, fra inderset i osen. Og industriens melodi, der finder vi os mosen. Vandet søger ekvilibrium, flyder som en lille strøm fra skyer til plante med vandet.
Pacific Crest Trails right over there. That's the Bridge of the Gods. According to native folklore, it used to be a land bridge through here. Kind of hoping to be on the other side of the river. Like I'm going to P-Town.
blomstring. Midt i hosten fra indersæt i osen, og industriens melodi, der finder vi os mosen. Vandet søger ekvilibrium, flyder som en lille strøm fra skyer til plante med barner ad libitum. Og jeg forlader tomater, chili, basilikum, for stadig revet bilet rundt Øko Virginia i min mund og fingrene i hippielund. På min altaner uden kemikalier, de kalder det øko. Jeg siger det fra, hvor vi brænder. Det er nærmest mærkeligt, ikke at sprøjte, så bliver de spøjse. Som om der er skift i løgne, de sviger lidt i øjnene. For dem er jorden blot et billigt tøj, det de vil exploite. Helt lidt til knoglerne, jeg splitter nøgne. Kom vågn op og duft til syrenerne. Byplanerne er vores børn og børnebørn og tulipanerne. Vi brolægger vandgade med solsikker. Bilen ud der blyser, det kan være glad og bosikker. Planter skyder op og dræber i nummer. Det her er medicin til vores stenlunger. Det her er medicin til vores stenlunger. Det her er medicin til vores stenlunger. I takt med at drømmene forsvinder, concealer, strømligner jeg med grøn finger. Strømninger er større end du aner. Vi er børn af tulipaner. Og i takt med at drømmene forsvinder, concealer, strømligner jeg med grøn finger. Strømninger, styrer blinder, alt blomster op som hyacinter.
Jarpe morgondan bleken morte Dici
Tag from 84 right back there. That was pretty neat. Great spot to camp down there, but they all fishing too. Trying to catch a steelhead. Yeah, they are. Look at them. Oh, it's fishing. Big old sturgeon in here, steelhead, and occasional salmon will make it up here. They said they canned enough salmon out this river to go to the moon and back. That's why there ain't no more salmon. But I think you can see why this is my favorite part of the country. Might have some Looney Tunes as far as people go, but I'm not too fond of people anyways.
Don't need the respect of the mentally weak. I have no interest
I missed the falls. Oh well. Just sketched out by the people. I guess it really don't matter if I get seen now. I'm so damn close to Portland. I gotta walk from here. Woo-hoo! Nothing left gonna do. Woo-hoo! Nothing left gonna do. The Oregonians are like, there's a damn Florida man on that train. I heard him. I tell you, I heard him. Looks like I'm gonna get a little bit of Oregon sunshine before I get to Portland. Hopefully I don't get too wet. More like a mist than a rain. It is a rainforest though. Well, there went my ride. Got nice and damp. Thank you, Pete Town, peeing on me. Worst spots to sleep for the night. This crow would leave me alone. You jerk.